Welcome to Power Drill Massacre. I'm doing a voiceover because I ain't gonna lie, my audio was cooked and I don't feel like fucking redoing this video. It's, well, it'll be better next video, but yeah, I'm gonna just keep the intro short. I'm sorry that the audio is terrible, but it'll be better next video because I did switch over to a new video recording software. But I'll figure it out. You know what I'm saying? It's still part of the process. Good day.
That's like this dumbest thing ever. And we was in what even happened? Did we fall off the cliff? How did we die? How did we crash? Bro, maybe she was slurping him up while he got it all the time. Maybe she was slurping him up while he driving and shit. He was like, oh, dead ass. I'm just running this shit. Hopefully I don't fall off the mountains. I'm scared as fuck, by the way, if y'all couldn't tell. All this rambling. Stop. I'm hearing shit. I don't care. I'm just going. I'm just going. Just going with the flow and shit. No, stop. How did I get scared of getting stuck? Man. What's my trust? Oh, y'all see that brother up here? Hey, bro. Say twin. Say to him. Why he ain't fucking with me? Why he ain't fucking with me? It's a junker here. Can you stop with that shit, bro? There's somebody in the window. Hell no. Then why'd the bell go off? Whoa. Twin's gone. Probably. I don't know. Let's see that nigga real quick. That's some shit. Fuck, these fucking controllers, bro. I don't know how to use them very well, but it turns out if I'm running from something, I'm gonna be using these motherfuckers very well. Low-key, don't they look like Diane or some shit? Hey, she got a crazy ass fit on her fucking pants all the way to her fucking belly button, bro. You need to sag a little bit. That's probably the difference between us, cause she's, you know what I'm saying, my white folk and shit, white version. No, I'm fine. Then you get fucking canceled. I don't want to. Fuck this game. Fuck it. What's that? Oh, you bitch ass nigga. Those my footsteps? Caked with grime. Shit. I'm scared as fuck, bro. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. What's that? Oh, we can't get in that little vent thing on the bottom. Look like someone would be in there. Ain't no bad. No, turn around. Thank you. It's crazy, like with this kind of game, you got like full rotation with the WASD. But so trying to run is like dumb as fuck. What this is? Look like an article ripped out of a newspaper. Read it. Yeah, let's do it. The search continues for 2 missing campers in Ponico Mountains. Mason C. Sargent and Lori Summers of Long Island, New York. Is Long Island even in New York? I don't know, but they've been found missing, or they've been missing since June 8th. Their campsite and belongings have been located, but investigators have found leads. Police say there are no visible signs of a struggle, and this continues to be a rescue mission. The rest missing is holy shit. It's dated August 1982. 5 years ago. Oh my god, it's 1987. FNAF reference. Hold on. Looks like a key. Pick it up. Yes. Ready? The noises. The noises gotta stop. What am I? I'm hearing breathing. Stop. What the fuck is this? I don't know where I'm going. This flashlight's fucking buns, bro. What am I hearing? What am I hearing? It's not this thing! Hold him. What's it? Ankles! Ankles! Go. I can't see. I can't see. Stop. We're just going. We're just running. We're just running. Fuck, I'm in a dead end. Am I safe? Let's read it. Come on. I'm breathing so hard, bro. I hate it. No trace of missing campers. April 4th, 1985 since 1978. 12 campers have been disappeared over 100-mile stretch of Panico Mountains. We've contacted dozens of rescue missions each year. The park ranger Charlie Plank. I'm nervous. People come up here to camp and hike all the time without experience. Accidents happen while most rescue missions are successful. 12 people have stumped park rangers and the local police. Campfires left burning, boots and jackets left behind, radio still playing. It's like these people were ripped away from their campers. Says Abe Bradley. What a name. Okay. Shout out to Abe Bradley, or Abe, my bad. Who was involved in the search for. I can't read it no more, the ink is faded. Fuck, my main op is down there, bro. I'm not trying to go down there, can't go. Ain't even gonna lie to you. I wish I just found a Drake right here and I'll fucking pop his ass. Fuck. We're going down. They call me K for it, bro. We can't be put. Damn, we're fucked up. We're fucked up. I'm scared. Come on. Mama ain't raised no bitch. Mama ain't raised no bitch. Mama ain't raised no bitch. I don't know where to go, bro. That's the thing. And I randomly just hear some footsteps behind me, like, bro. Where? Okay. Okay. I don't like this area. I don't like it. Stop with the noises, bro. Come on. We're just going. This is gonna be the most, like, unentertaining video ever, bro. I'm just gonna be... What was that? Does that mean he's in here? I hear he's behind me! I'm not gonna play it. I just can't. My fucking heart, bro. My heart, bro. Oh my god. We're going back into it, bro. I hate scary games. I hate it with a passion, bro. That's a clean ass. That'd be like a clean ass like profile picture, though. My heart's still bumping, bro. I can't do this shit. Is the key still right here? Come on, let's get that shit, bro. Yes, it is. Let's pick it up. I can't do this game, bro. Fuck me, bro. hearing shit. What the fuck? Take me to the door, bro. I know my way. I know my way to the door. That's all I know. I know my way to the door. That's all I know. Take me to the door. Fuck. I can't be hugging the doors. I can't, bro. I can't. I'm trying not to be scared. I'm trying not to. Who's that? Oh, fuck this game. I'm not playing it. Fuck you. Fuck you.